Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and we are here with another video. Today we are going to be doing a realistic stretching with me as I take down my hair after it being in a 4-day mousse only wash and go with that Nairobi foam. If you did not catch that video, make sure that you catch it up there so that you can go back and see how that wash and go turned out. But a couple of people made some comments and wanted to see what it looked like on day 3, day 4, realistically, and here we are. So I'm going to go ahead. I am getting ready to go out for the day. So we're going to go ahead and stretch my hair. I am using my Dyson blow dryer today to stretch, and this is still that foam wash and go. So go ahead and stay tuned. Let's go ahead and jump right into the stretching. All right. So for my stretch today, I am going to be using a couple of products just to ensure that I don't have any heat damage. The first one is going to be the Tresemme Heat Tamer Spray. You all know about this spray. We've been using it for years. It's no guest to the show. So this is the heat protector that I'm going to be using today. As you can see, it's like it's been used. Okay. And then just for a little bit of shine, I am going to use my Bread Everyday Hair Gloss. I have really been loving this gloss. It's pretty brand new, but I absolutely love the smell and how it feels when it goes into my hair. So I am going to be using this as a finishing product. All right, so y'all, that was it. That's all the heat that I'm going to be using on my hair overall. I just wanted to get it out of its helmet stage and kind of stretch it out some. What I'm going to do next is just actually go in with my pick and just kind of shape my hair. Not that it's not already shaped, but I'm going to use my pick to kind of shape and get the style that I want for my hair. But y'all, this is really day 4 hair of that Nairobi foam mousse wash and go. So let me go ahead and start picking. Let's see how it actually turns out. I mean, let me know what y'all think. Do you like your wash and goes to be like, is it about the volume for you? Is it about the defined curls. For me, I kind of like a mixture of both. So I like to have the volume, and then I also like to have the curls, but I don't necessarily need my roots to be curly. I just like for my curls at the ends of my hair to show through, which is what's happening here. Um, yeah, on a 4-day wash and go living in Houston, there's definitely gonna be frizz. But for mousse only and no gel, I think that this looks really good. Let me know your thoughts below. I'm interested to see what y'all say, but I don't know if I'm feeling the part. Let me see what it looks like without the part. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my bobby pin and create like a front bang so that it's not so much volume in the front, to just kind of push it down a little bit here. So that's what I'm gonna do with those bobby pins. All right, so I think this is going to be it. I just put those two bobby pins here to create like a little bit of a front piece and bang to kind of come a little bit more in my face, because my hair is short right now, so it goes up instead of falling down. So this is pretty much going to be it for the day on my hair. I'm going to put some earrings on and go ahead and head out the door. So that's pretty much it for how I realistically stretch my wash and goes on a daily basis. This is day 4 hair again, so I'll probably keep this wash and go for another 2 days or so before I go ahead and redo it. But neither to say, it's not a lot of work. I stretched it for a couple of minutes with the blow dryer, and then I took my pick to actually shape it. Let me know what y'all think. How is it working out for my day 4 hair? I know that a lot of you all questioned that in the comments, with this being a foam only wash and go. So let's chat about it below. Let me know what you think. I'm always interested in talking with y'all. I'll see you next time. Make sure that you support my channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. I will see you all later. Bye.